Hey everybody, cold morning here in Florida. Sun's trying to come out here in sunny Florida, but it's 50 something degrees. We got a cold front going on. And you can see all the palm trees here. Very nice. Beautiful scenery. Only problem is it's very cold. We're not used to this cold. We get it once in a while. And we're by the school. And as you see, everybody's bundled up. The cars are all windows shut. Kiddies are going to school, middle school here. And we got several different kinds of palm trees here. Here's a different one. Different than that one. But I'm glad to be with you. And again, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips. And everybody share out this video if you can. And also like, comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Doing a real quick video down here in Florida. 50 something degrees. Last week it was like 84 and in the mid 70s most of the time. And now we're at, I think the high will be 62 or 63. Yesterday was very cold, and today it's cold again. So hi everybody out in YouTube land. Mike's Computer Tips here. If you need to have your computer running better, you don't want to pay somebody hundreds of dollars to repair it, watch my videos. You'll learn very easy ways to make your computer run better. So everybody, with that, I'm going to cut the video off. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for coming by. Bye.